Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make delicious guacamole. Please stick around and watch this video. First we're going to start by peeling our avocado, and I'm using 3 large ripe avocado. Okay, see, nice. To prevent the avocados from browning, I'm going to add 1 lime juice to it. And the more lime, the better. Now it's time to mash up the avocados, but you don't want to puree the avocados. You want them to have a little chunk in them. Because you want texture to your guacamole. So when you get this to the texture that you're looking for, I like mine to have a little chunks to it, so I'm not gonna mash this out anymore. As you can see, there are some chunks in it. It's not pureed. This is how I like mine. To the avocado, I'm gonna add 1 jalapeno. Gonna cut off the end. And if you don't like your spicy, you don't have to add the jalapeno, or you can substitute for a different pepper. Just gonna take this part out. We're just gonna finely chop these up. Now we're gonna chop a medium-sized onion. Now that we have roughly chopped our onion, we're gonna add them to the bowl. To the bowl, I'm gonna add 1 Roma tomato. You can add more, you can add less. I've already washed my tomato. I'm also gonna take out the seeds. To this, I'm also going to add some fresh cilantro. You don't want to leave this part out because this is where the flavor is. This smells so good. The flavor from cilantro is amazing. This herb is so flavorful. To this, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of sea salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, Now we're gonna combine everything together and be careful not to mash up the avocado too much. This is smelling amazing. Smelling and looking amazing. Oh my goodness. We're gonna give it a taste. Gonna add some fresh lime juice to it. And here you have it, guys. My goodness, look at my guacamole. Guacamole for days, guys. And now we're gonna get our chips. I'm back with my chips and now we're gonna dip. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so delicious, chunky and flavorful. All the ingredients come together so well. The jalapeno, the tomatoes, the onion, and the fresh cilantro. Give it a good taste, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.